have decided to
vlog.
yes,
Oh,
well,
like trying to time it
when I try to be extra. But yeah, we haven't really done a proper like daily vlog before. I think we just do usually events.
Random.
And we've kind of been slacking.
True.
The YouTube game. Oh my god, I'm looking here instead of
I'm
here.
looking everywhere. I don't know where to look.
Hello guys!
No, hello guys.
Yeah, so it's gonna be our boring lives vlog. So today's plan is basically gym and school, and you're gonna
Where are we looking again? I'm so confused.
I don't know, girl. I'm looking everywhere.
Okay, just look somewhere for now.
Today's plan is to go to gym and school, and your plan is to try to be productive.
Yes, I have like 5 assignments.
Yes. Yeah. Wish us good luck.
So we're done now. No,
we look really beautiful. This is the look that everyone goes for.
Oh my god, you look so dark.
The natural, all sweaty.
Nice lighting. Don't only lighting. Oh, there's another one. Here you go.
Alright, so I'm just going to be filming how I do my makeup every day. Yeah, it's going to be a very minimal look. And I like to play music when I'm doing my makeup. Closer than the top? I know. Well then, that is the look.
Ow, my hair, ow, it was strategically placed to look like I woke up like this. But yes, we've already had breakfast, and now we're sleeping again because it's raining outside. Wow, I'm like filming such wonderful angles. Okay, hopefully we'll do something today other than sleeping.
Hey guys, so I just got back from the gym and I got dressed for school. Now it's gonna be me and Naruja, my gym buddy, and we're gonna go to school, meet up with our friends before we have work to do. Yeah, so I decided to take you guys along with me. The thing is, I'm really bad at public vlogging because I get really awkward. So then I'll just be like, hey guys. I'm kidding. Hopefully, because my friends are there, I could be a little normal. Hopefully today I could get a little bit more footage. We just got to school. It took way too long because of traffic. But yeah, so we're gonna head to Shopsies now, which is kind of like a food place. But yeah, we just finished eating. We had burgers and fries, and she had poutine. I totally helped her with the poutine. Usually I'm like a very slow eater, but you know, I helped you out because I'm a good friend like that. But I really wanted to, my hair's everywhere. I really wanted to take her to the pond because it's like this really cute place, but it's freezing, so I'm making her freeze for a cute place. Yes. Okay. Isn't it so pretty?
Yes.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
The only reason why I come to school. And education.
Education's key. Guys, I have a YouTube channel.
What's it called? Niraja?
Niru TV. Feel like the queen of the world.
You are the queen of the world.
Oh, she's so cute.
We're supposed to be vlogging. Did you vlog?
Alright, so it's 4:30 now, and I haven't really done much other than go to the gym, and then I washed my hair. So you guys will see an afro as this video goes on. I'm gonna bake cookies because Shaq went to work and I have nothing better to do, like I'm so bored. And you guys might be wondering, Saathana, why do you go to the gym if you're going to make a bunch of cookies later on? It's because I live a balanced life. Life tip, always eat all the cookies.
Alright, so this is the recipe that I usually use. It's from this site called Genius Kitchen, and the recipe is really simple and easy, so if I can do it, you guys can definitely try it out.